Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Infinity English Podcast. I am Sarah, your English coach. We are in the final stretch, Daily Life Sentences, Part 3. You've worked hard, you've shopped, and now it's time for socializing and relaxing. This is where you build relationships. Section 5, Small Talk and Socializing. You meet a friend or a neighbor. Start with the weather. It's a classic. 40. Beautiful day, isn't it? Or if it's raining, 41, it's pouring outside. Pouring means raining very heavily. Asking about their life, 42. What have you been up to lately? This means what have you been doing recently? 43. How's your family doing? Making plans for the weekend, 44. Do you have any plans for the weekend? 45. Let's grab a coffee sometime. 46. Are you free on Saturday night? If you can't go, be polite. 47. I'd love to, but I have a prior engagement. This is formal. Informally, just say, sorry, I can't make it. Maybe next time. Make it means attend or go. Section 6. Household chores and evening. You are back home. There is work to do around the house. 49. I need to do the laundry. 50. Can you take out the trash? 51. It's my turn to do the dishes. Cooking dinner. 52. What's for dinner tonight? 53. I'm too tired to cook. Let's order takeout. Takeout is food you order from a restaurant to eat at home. 54. Could you set the table? After dinner, you relax. 55. I'm going to chill on the sofa. Chill is a slang word for relax. 56. Is there anything good on TV? Finally, it's time to sleep. You are tired. 57. I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. 58. I'm going to turn in. Turn in is a phrasal verb meaning go to bed. 59. I need to set the alarm for 6 a.m. 60. Good night. Sleep tight. Conclusion and final challenge. Wow, we have just covered a full day of English, from waking up to sleeping tight. Here is why this is important. Fluency is not about big words. Fluency is about knowing exactly what to say in these small moments. If you master these 60-plus sentences, you can navigate 90% of your daily life in English. Your challenge. I want you to choose one section, morning, work, or evening, and use only English for that part of your day tomorrow, even if you are talking to yourself. If you found this comprehensive guide helpful, please subscribe to Infinity English Podcast. We are building a community of fluent speakers, and we want you with us. Like the video if you want more daily life episodes. I am Sarah, signing off. Have a wonderful, fluent day.